Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to connect any AC to a mobile phone so that you can control the AC just by using your phone. Now this can be very useful for those that their AC do not support Wi-Fi connection with the official mobile app of the AC, or in the situation where you have misplaced your AC remote, whether it's a Hisense, TCL, LG. Over here I actually have an LG, but regardless of the brand, what you want to do is to first of all come over to your mobile phone, and then on your phone you want to locate the Google Play Store app. If you're using an iPhone, open up the iOS App Store, and then from the search icon over here you want to go ahead and search for the Mi Control app or Mi Remote app. Now you can literally see this application over here. You may not be able to find it on your iOS device, but then there is an alternative application for it, and that is known as the Remote Master application. Just make sure you download the application. It works exactly like the Mi Remote Control app as well. Now what you want to do is to go ahead and install this application. Once it is downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open up the application and then tap on the agree button at the bottom over here. Tap on the add remote button at the bottom over here, and then proceed to select on the AC option. Now you're going to be given a couple of brands of AC that you can actually test run. In my case, this is actually an LG AC, so I'll go ahead and look for the LG brand from the search bar over here. You can literally see LG over here. I'll go ahead and select it. Now at this point, what you want to do is to test the different models of AC remote from your brand that this application has, and see which one actually works with your model of AC as well. So basically from over here you can see we have 16 available models of LG AC remote, and you just want to continue to test them with the power button, which one actually responds with your LG AC or any brand of AC you have. And while doing this, you want to also make sure you point your phone to the AC as well. So I'll just go ahead and tap on the power button. Does it respond? No. You want to tap on no. Go ahead and continue to tap on the power button until one of the models actually work for your AC. Okay, the previous model just worked for mine, and you can see that it just turned on my LG AC at the top over there. And basically I'm just going to tap on the no button, go back to the previous model that I just tested, which is actually model number 7, as you can see. And if I tap on the power button again, it should automatically turn off the AC. You can see, so this one works for me. I'll go ahead and tap on the yes button over here, and then just tap on the check button at the top, and you're good to go. Now what you want to do is to completely control your AC now with this beautiful remote control. You can see that there are lots of features that it comes with. It comes with the swing feature, direction, temperature, and even timer. You can also set the timer. I can also increase the temperature, so it is currently on, and I can increase the temperature. As you can see, it is currently increasing from over there. Just to show you that this works on literally any AC, over here I do have a Hisense standing AC unit, and if I go ahead and just select on the AC option over here, proceed to select on the brand of AC, which is obviously Hisense. At this particular point, you want to make sure again you point your phone to the AC, and then just try to use the power button to find out which model works for you. Okay, this is the one that actually turned on my AC. It is actually model number 29, so I'll just go back to 29 and then try it on my AC again. And as you can see, it actually controlled the AC. So I'll just tap on the yes button over here, proceed to tap on the off, so try to see if it offs the AC. And you can see it actually turns off the AC. So I'll just go ahead and tap on yes, and now I have my AC remote control. I'll just tap on the yes button, and I can now use my phone to control my AC while both devices are connected. So I can turn on the AC with the power button, just like so. You can see it turns on, and I can also turn it off like so. Again, it actually turns off. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.